Good morning everyone! Mukhang antok pa si Eman. Ayan, it's our day 2 in Baguio. We are getting ready para sa aming paglalakwatsa the whole day today. Ayan, marami kaming pupuntahan, kaya talagang gumising kami ng sobrang aga. Alright, ito ang aking attire for today's video.
Hi!
Naglalakad po kami pataas. Good thing our accommodation is very accessible to almost everything. So pwede namin lakarin. Yun no? Sobrang lamig.
You're the music of my heart. You're the music of my heart. When the rain falls, you bring me light. You chase the dark with your endless smile. Every whisper.
Nandito kami ngayon sa Stone Kingdom. Look what we are wearing right now. Ang daming tao.
No more shadows, no goodbyes. In your arms, I'm alive. You're the melody inside my soul, a song of love that makes me whole.
Alright, so this time we are heading to Cathedral Church. Kasi birthday ni Eman tomorrow. So dadaan muna kami sa church before kami mag-proceed sa aming next target na tourist destination.
You're my reason, you're my
Bakit na po kami dito sa Cathedral? Ayan, hinihingil na po ako kasi kanina pa po kami naglalakad.
inside my soul.
Kakatapos lang ng mass. So we are going to Mines View. Hilingan na tabi ning kaibahang ko. Muriso na. Tanglayo na siya kalalakaw. Nandito kami ngayon sa Mines View. So kaso natulog na si Eman. Napagod siya kakalakad.
In every sunrise I see your face, a gentle touch, a warm embrace. You are the dream I always knew, a perfect love, so pure and true. No more shadows, no goodbyes. In your arms,
Ayan, mapapalaban na naman po tayo sa akyatan.
inside my soul.
Grabe po ang hingal namin dito. Galing po kami sa Mines View and then bumaba kami sa Wright Park and then approaching kami going to the mansion house.
Turn right.
You're the music of my heart. You're the music of my heart. Forever in